So, word of warning, if you have one of these, which is a Chinese drill press from the 1980s, 1990s, it's got quite a lot of flair on there. Your branding will probably be different. This is 3/4 horsepower, Morse taper 2, so up to 23mm drills. The chuck's not original. A 12-speed machine. It's got 2 belts. The 2 belts are not the same. My belts were shot, very shot, so I ordered some new ones, but I only measured one of the belts, so now I've got one belt that fits. I've got one belt that doesn't fit. It's too short. Bugger. Right then, boys and girls, this here is not about belts and my failure to order the right ones, but in fact about the quality of these parallels that I made the other day. So these only been they've been deburred and that's it. So I've got them set up on the surface plate. Surface plate's clean. They're relatively clean as well. I've got a 100ths of a millimeter indicator on here, and if we scan across, we are getting 200ths of a millimeter out, but then maybe not 100th. Oh, blimey, slipped off. That's buggered it. So we're at -1. Here we're at -3. So -1, 0, 0. So that one's 300ths of a millimeter on that one, on that side. Oh, grit on there. Here I'm measuring +1, +1, 0. Oh no, +1. It's difficult to do this because you need to keep them absolutely upright. But I'm reckoning that this one is within 100th, and if we do it the other way up, where we've got a slightly cleaner surface on this side, +1, +1, well, that's within 100th of a millimeter. Hope you caught that. So back to the first one that we measured. So we'll try the other side. Oh, there's grit under there. I can feel that. Where's that come from? When you've got a surface plate, you can feel if there's any dirt. No, this side's really rough. So the variation is very minor, but I'm not getting the same reading from it. Oh, I see. I've dinged the edge. That's why. I've dinged an edge. No, that's more like it. Slipped into. So there's one side that's higher than the other on this. This one needs some work. Definitely needs a bit of clean up, this one. But so I think I must have had a chunk of the milling cutter that's a bit grungy. Finish isn't nearly as good, and I'm not getting the same readings. But lengthwise they're very, very clean. Anyway, that's that.